Hi everyone, Hipaint is a new app for iPhones, Android. It's an app for drawing, basically like Procreate and IBS Paint. And well, why am I making this video without them even paying me is this happened. So I opened the app, I was sharing screen with my friend and he was like, why do they have so many guidelines and like rules? And one of them basically was like for them to provide me basic functions related to painting is that I need to give them my storage basically. My friend was like, oh shit, I guess these bitches are training AI. And then we started talking about like Adobe Firefly. I like some rumors about them like training AI without people's explicit permission, even though that's not true. They replied to me and I felt so bad that I'm just making this video now. Because I know how it feels to be like just a small group of people and working on one project and putting all your effort in it, and then just like some random bitch comes in and say, oh, well then they just like use our art to train AI, and everyone believed me, by the way. Everyone in the comments was like, really? Is this real, guys? I'm like, oh my god. Anyways, I'm sorry, and here is a review for your app. After ruining your reputation, yay. The first thing that caught my attention is that there is no ads. Like, I was like, where are the hello, how are you making money? This is what made it so believable that maybe they are training AI, but they're not. Anyways, their app has a lot of options, and I don't even need that many options. I don't even need more than 10 layers, but their layers are, yeah. I don't even think anyone needs this much layers. Why would you do this? However, their select tool was kind of weird. I was kind of confused. Like, why is this thing named transform? Like, what are you gonna transform to? Okay, Miss Girl, whatever. I was able to move it. That's the fucking point, though. Another thing that annoyed me when I was drawing is this weird box that, like, I get it if you want to lock the angle that you're like zooming in at, but I kept hitting it with my finger. I don't know if my finger is big, but it's there and I can't ignore it. Like, you know, like I just keep accidentally hitting it and it locks and I get annoyed. Another really important thing that I actually couldn't. I left the app and I went to IBS. The eyedropper. The eyedropper is really important for me. It's actually really important, especially that I go from grayscale to color, and I really need it in grayscaling to go from to mix colors, because I mix them on top of the character and like on top of the canvas instead of like mixing it anywhere else. And they do have an option for me to mix my colors in, but I just don't like that at all. Just look at this video of me in IBS Paint and putting already the colors there and never opening the color wheel ever again, just using the eyedropper and like mixing the colors onto the character. Like, how many times have I used the eyedropper in this video? And it's just a small tiny video that I did quickly to show you how important the eyedropper is. I mean, they do obviously have the eyedropper, but you're gonna have to click on the colors and then the color wheel will pop up and then you'll find the eyedropper beside it. But in IBS Paint, all you have to do is click and hold and the eyedropper. Anyways, this app is really good. I really liked it, but honestly, I couldn't with the eyedropper. I'm just like really used to it, so just add it. And also something I really like is that they have the stabilizer. I like that as well. Anyways, their app is good. Go download it. And I'm really sorry. I rushed this drawing, so I can apologize. I'm sorry because it's been like 2 days now or something. And this drawing had so much potential. Probably I will work on it later, but I'm kind of lazy, honestly. And it had so much potential, but I just brushed it. This is Star Guardian Soraka. It's such a good skin, so I just decided to just like draw her. I really like the splash art of it. So yeah, there goes Miss Soraka. I rushed this so I can apologize, because I really understand like how long it takes to like make an app and like program it and like code it. Oh my god, that's such a pain in the ass. And like put all your effort and like yeah, and then there's me.
What must be done?